Okay, baby. What is it? Probably a barracuda. Whoa! Slow the boat down. I got 200 feet out. Shit, man. Ah. What are we doing here? I gotta steer the boat. Whoa. Whatever it is. Oh boy. Come on. Whoa! Whoa, man! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you see that? Whoa. I got 127 feet left. You know what that could have been? That could have been a shark biting my food there. Oh, I felt this before. And if you don't bring it in, yeah. Son of a bitch. What am I doing here? Whoa. 20 feet, man. Come on. What are you? What is it? Oh, it's a mahi! It's a mahi! Oh, yeah. Oh! Yeah! Oh, baby, come on! That's a big mahi! Shit! Oh, man. This is not gonna be... Look at the color of that thing! Whoa! Oh, shit. It's not giving up. I gotta get this thing out of here, man. I gotta get it out of the water. Oh, man. Whoa! Oh! Oh, Sandy, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna chop this up? I'm gonna have to gaff this prick. Oh, man. I need a hand here. More. I got no gloves on. Okay. Oh, man. Oh. Oh my God. Holy shit, you son of a bitch. Okay. It's a heavy one. I'm gonna have to gaff this prick. You're mine. That's a good size eating right there. Oh yeah. This is not easy to do while I'm sailing this goddamn boat. Yeah, I don't want to gaff him in front of you guys. I feel sorry for it. I am gonna... I don't know if you can see this, but the way to do this is I got to put him in a bucket here, and then I got to drown him with whiskey. Okay. All right. This is a beautiful fish, man. I got you, man. Oh. I just got to put you right here in the lazarette so you don't get away while I get the bucket. Get in there. All right. Oh. How are you supposed to film and do this all at once? I don't know, man. Okay, so now I got to get this guy and unhook him. Actually, what I'm going to do now is release that fishing rod a bit. I got the lure out. Okay, we'll leave that. We'll put him inside here. With selfies. Oh yeah, dinner. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yum, 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 yum. Mwah. Now, yep. Well, we got to do one with the cell phone. Come on. Yeah.